Another thing you want to keep in mind is where in its life cycle is the flower when you pick it. Daisies, for example, get much harder to press the older the bloom is. If you get a bloom that is fairly young, you can see the pollen hasn't built up on it yet. So one, that will decrease your chances that the petals will turn yellow, but it also means that this isn't as thick in the middle. If we look at an older bloom, now you wouldn't want to pick this one because it's already gone by, but you can see how much that is. Come on. There we go. How much thicker that's getting. And it gets bigger and rounder the older that bloom gets. Now this one is very old, but you can just see how much rounder that one is to this one. So if you can get them the earliest you can right after they've opened is ideal and is much easier for pressing. And you'll have a much better outcome. Another one like that are brown eye Susans. The longer they are open, the much harder this cone in the middle becomes. And it's much harder, so you can't even push on it to get it to press. Whereas before it has filled in, this one is part of the way. This one is quite older. Those things get to the top and it's really hard. These ones, it starts, this is much softer in the middle here and will flatten out much easier. This part before that darker outside has come on, it folds in a lot easier. Then this, for example, is really hard and solid in there.